Hey guys, Jeff from Home RenoVision here. You know, one of the most common questions I get in the chat or in our forum or in the video messages, everybody wants to know, they're always got questions about their flooring assembly. Can I put this on this, or what's the assembly, what's the minimum code, what's the best plan? Because there's a lot of options and a lot of information out there and a lot of opinions. Truth is, most people's opinions are paid for. So you gotta be careful where you're getting your advice. So the other day we were in a live show and somebody asked me again, you know, but they're doing a basement job. Can I put the tile directly on the concrete? And the answer is yes and no. Yes, you can install tile on concrete, but no, maybe you shouldn't. So we're gonna jump into the live show. You can watch that conversation. And when you come back, I'll add a couple more pieces of information to help clarify things, because there's a lot of information around flooring. Not every situation is exactly the same. So we'll see you on the other side of the question. Is a uncoupling membrane necessary for tile directly over concrete? It's only 25 square feet. I love that. Okay, so here's the question. Alex, let's just imagine this. We finished the bathroom. We install the vanity, we install the tile, we install the toilet, all right? It's only 25 square feet. And then the foundation gets a crack. Right down the middle of the bathroom. Is it still only 25 square feet at that point? That's the question you have to ask yourself. Now, you don't necessarily need to use an uncoupling membrane like a Schluter. There is a roll-on paint called an uncoupling membrane. It's a roll-on paint made by Mapei. All right, so you can go down to Floor & Decor or your local, just Google tile supply store for wholesalers who carry Mapei, or go on the Mapei site and say local dealer in whatever city you're in. You'll be able to find this stuff, all right? And you can just paint it on and let it sit overnight and then tile the next day. And that will mitigate almost every kind of crack you're gonna get, unless it's something from the movie 2012 and things are really just bouncing around. Then it doesn't matter what you use. Now, listen, there's a lot of difference between concrete. Old concrete floors in a basement versus new. And if you have concrete on a slab foundation and it's got reinforced, a lot of slabs have got reinforced steel in it. And so they're not susceptible to cracking. Like up in North America in the higher zones, you know, Midwest, Northeast, and in Canada for sure. If you have a basement, your concrete is just poured on the gravel. There's no reinforcement, and it is prone to crack, which is why we suggest if you're going to be tiling in those environments, make sure you put a crack isolation membrane, possibly even a Dietrich Schluter uncoupling membrane. It's a great investment. So usually a small space in a bathroom anyway, and so you can go to a lot of the local stores and you can just cut a sheet off on the roll that's in the department. And so for a few bucks, you can have crack isolation technology. It'll save your bacon. Now, the other thing about this is if you live in an apartment, cracks aren't really all that much of an issue. Again, the reinforced steel, right? So you gotta gauge how old is your house? Is it a basement or is it a reinforced concrete? That'll get you better, closer to the answer. Most concrete has the ability to crack a little bit. And so using the roll-on paint will protect you in most cases. But if you're in a basement, best to go all in. All right, here we go. Hey, listen, while I got you here, I'm gonna jump down, I'm gonna show you that flooring I was talking about. We did a video and it's almost done. We'll share it with you soon, but I wanted to give you a quick sneak peek on what this floor looks like. Well, here we are, guys. This is the floor. This is my new engineered hardwood floating floor, okay? It goes on 3mm EVA underlay. And the coolest thing about this is it's a click lock. Like any other click lock system, done. All right, so if you want to see that video, you've got to hit the bell for notifications, okay? Make sure that you hit all videos so that you don't miss this one when it comes out. It's going to change the world. It's actually quite affordable, this flooring, and it goes in really quick and easy like any other laminate. Actually goes in easier than a lot of other laminates. So you're gonna have to be able to watch that video. Click the link up here. In the meantime, join us in our bench series where we have a bunch of short videos talking about a lot of great information that you're gonna need as a homeowner so you can have a successful renovation. We'll see you soon.